arithmetic progression. In short, it is also called as AP. Before starting the chapter, you should be knowing a few terms to understand AP. The first thing is sequence. If you understand this term sequence, it will become very easy for you to understand what is AP. So, let me start the topic with the first term, sequence. What do we mean by sequence? सीक्वेंस को समझाने के लिए मैं कुछ एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू आपको समझाता हूँ सीक्वेंस क्या होता है. स्टूडेंट, आप लोगों को पता है व्हाट इज स्टेयरकेस? सीढ़ी के बारे में पता है? स्टेयरकेस एक ड्राइंग के थ्रू मैं समझाता हूँ. ओके स्टूडेंट, ड्राइंग पे मत जाइएगा, थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिएगा टॉपिक की ओर. Here you can see the number of blocks is 1. In the next step you can see number of blocks is 2. In this you can see number of blocks is 3. In this you can see number of blocks is 5. And in this you can see number of blocks is 5. Okay student? Now see, from 1 to 2, if I add with this one more 1, it will become 2. Same way, if I add one more 1, it will become 3. One. If I add with this one, it will become 2. If with this 2, if I add 1, it will become 3. With this, if I add 1, it will become 4. And with this, if I add 1, it will become 5. So in every step, you are seeing I am adding a fixed number, that is plus 1. I am adding plus 1 in each case. So in case I have a constant value, the value is plus 1. This is my constant value, which I am adding in every step. So what are my numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay student? And the common constant value between each number is 1. Let me take another example. Have you ever seen card? I am making a diagram. Suppose I am making a triangular block. Below this I am making another triangular block. Okay? Okay student, now see student, in the first block I have used how many number of cards? 1, 2, 3. In the second block 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the third 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in the fourth block, I have used number of cards 12. That is 3, 6, 9 and 12. These are my cards in each block. Now see student, if I add with this 3 plus 3, it becomes 6. Again with this 6, if I add plus 3, it becomes 9. Again with this, if I add plus 3, it becomes 12. So in each case, I am adding plus 3 as my value. Okay student? So in these two cases, we have a constant common difference. In this, my constant value is plus 1, and in this, my constant value is plus 3. Okay student? So whenever we get a particular pattern to follow the number, then this is called our sequence. In this case, we are getting a particular pattern. The particular pattern is that with each and every number, I am adding here plus 1 to get the another number. In the second case, I am adding plus 3 with each number to get the next number. So we have a particular pattern in the both the system. When we get the pattern in any number, list of number, then it is called as sequence. And if we do not get any particular pattern, then this is not a sequence. So whenever our pattern follows, it is called as also progression. Progression follows a particular. Our next term is progression. What does progression means? It is a series that advances in a logical and predictable pattern. Okay student, means it has some particular pattern to follow. If it does not follow any particular pattern, then it is not a sequence. So I am showing another example which is not a sequence. Suppose this is not in sequence. Suppose if I write 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Here our pattern is not fixed. Here I am adding plus 2. Here I am adding plus 4. Here I am adding plus 8. Here I am adding plus 16. Though there is some way to identify the list of numbers, that is, it increases the multiple of 2 every time. But student, it does not show a fixed pattern. In previous case, we got a fixed pattern, that is, we are adding some particular constant number. So that is called sequence. Here we are not adding particular constant number, so this is not a sequence. Okay student? Now here we shall study about AP. So with the terminology sequence, it becomes very easy for us to understand what is AP. Let us take an example. 3, 6, 9, 12, so on. Okay student? Our first value is called as first term. It is called as first term. This is called our second term, third term, and so on. And our last value is called nth term. Our last value is called nth term. First term is denoted by A1. Second term is denoted by A2, A3, and our last term is denoted by An. Okay, student? Here, see, student, this A1 indicates the value of our particular position. What is our position? This denotes our position. This 1 is our position. That's why it is called as first term. A1 indicates our first term, and the value of our first term is nothing but our 3. Okay, student? Now, what is the definition of arithmetic progression? Before that, I want to make you notice about one more thing. Student, we are adding some particular number from 3 to 6. The particular number is nothing but plus 3. In each case, we are adding some particular number, that is plus 3. That plus 3 is called our common difference, which is denoted by D. So how do we find our common difference? When we subtract our first term from the second term, we get our common difference. Okay, student? Common difference is fixed throughout the series. Common difference is fixed throughout the sequence. Okay, student? Common difference is always fixed. If the common difference is not fixed, it is not called an AP series. So our common difference is always same throughout the series. If its value is not same, it is not an AP series. Okay, student? So we can write the formula in another way also. D is also equal to A2 minus A1 is also equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3 ... And our last term becomes an minus 1. Okay, student? If I put here 10 minus 1, it will become 9. Okay? So this is how we find the common difference. Now let us come to the definition with the thing I have explained here. What does the term AP means? An AP is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term, except the first term. Okay, student? So I am explaining the definition again. It states that it is a list of numbers. So see here, student, 3, 6, 9, 12, ... up to nth term is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained we are obtaining each of the term by adding a fixed number. See a student, with this 3 I am adding plus 3 to get 6. Here plus 3 to get 9. So I am adding a particular fixed number with the preceding term. Suppose I have to obtain 12. So what I am doing? I am adding with the preceding term plus 3 to get the succeeding term. Except the first term. See student, this is our first term. Here we are not adding any particular number, no addition, because there is no any other number to add with the first term. Okay, student? So from this, we come to our general formula of arithmetic progression. So it is given by an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the general formula of arithmetic progression. Okay, student? Where this is called our last term or nth term. This is called our first term. This is called our common difference. Okay, student? One more short way, we can find our first term. We know our first term is a. And by the definition of arithmetic progression, how does we obtain our second term? Our second term is obtained by adding a fixed constant number, that is called common difference, with the preceding term. So our preceding term is nothing but a. That is our a1. Okay, student? Same way, if I want to get a3, my preceding term is a plus d, and I am adding another d, that is equal to a plus 2d. So you are saying, student, in each case our first term is same, only we are adding d, one more d with each and every term. So you can guess, student, what will be our next term? Fourth term will be a plus 3d. If I want to write fifth term, it will be a plus 4d. Okay, student? So it follows a general formula. That general formula is nothing but this. So if I want to obtain an, it will be a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the only formula for the arithmetic progression. Okay, student? Now based on this, we will solve the formula. Today in this video I am discussing about only the arithmetic progression, how to find the general term of AP series. General term. How to find the general term of AP series. In the next video I will be solving more problems on AP series along with another formula, that is sum formula, how to find the sum of an AP series. In this video I am not discussing about sum of AP series. So let me start with some problem. Let me begin with a simple problem. Find the 10th term of an AP (2, 7, 12, dot. What is my question? Find the 10th term of an AP 2, 7, 12, dot. So we have to find which term, student? We have to find 10th term. So you can understand easily, student, 10th. What does here 10th means? Suppose I am giving an example. Suppose we have organized an competition. So whoever get number 1 rank, how do we call it? First, second, third. So first, second, third. If these are the terms we are using, that indicates our an value. Means in first position who is there, that is our term we have to find. From the given AP series, what is our AP series? 2, 7, 12, dot dot. From here we are getting, this is called our first term, means A is equal to 2. Our common difference is second term. Second term is nothing but 7 and first term is nothing but 2. Okay student, second term minus first term, so we are getting 5. We have to find 10th, so our n value is nothing but 10, and we have to find nth term, means a 10 we have to 5. Okay student, we have to find a 10, means 10th number term we have to find. Who is in 10th position, we have to find that particular number. So I am doing it here. A 10, our general formula is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have to find 10. So I am putting the value. Our a value is nothing but 2, n is nothing but 10 minus 1, d value is nothing but our 5. So 2 plus 9 into 5. So 2 plus 9 5s are 45 is equal to 47. So student, our 10th position term will be nothing but 47. Okay student. Now let me do one more problem. My question is, which term of the AP (21, 18, 15 dot 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 minus 81) which term of the AP 21, 18, 15 dot 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 minus 81? Okay student, this is my question. Which term of the AP dot dot will be this? So student, they have given us an AP series. Now they are telling how many terms will be there in this AP series. So student, this indicates our first term, that is A is equal to 21. What will be our common difference? We know common difference is nothing but second term minus first term. तो second term हो गया हमारा 18 और first term हो गया 21. इससे माइनस करेंगे तो कितना निकलता है? -3. ओके स्टूडेंट, बट हमें यहाँ n का वैल्यू निकालना है. वी हैव टू फाइंड n. और वन मोर थिंग स्टूडेंट, the AP series ends here, so we can call this as last term. Okay student, and we know our last term is denoted by an, so our an is equal to -81. Correct student? So student, whenever you will get an AP series in which we know the last term or nth term, in that case what we will do, in case of this type of problem, below nth term we will use the general formula. What is the general formula? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to -1, 81. Now we know a value, d value, we will put it in place of a and d and we will solve the problem. So a value is 21 plus n minus 1 into d value is nothing but minus 3 is equal to minus 81. So 21 plus 3 into n minus 3n plus 3 is equal to minus 81. Okay, student? So minus 3n plus 24 is equal to minus 81. 24 I will take it that side. Minus 3n is equal to minus 81 minus 24. So n is equal to, it becomes 105 minus by minus 3. Minus minus cancel, it becomes 35. So our 35th position value is nothing but our minus 81. Got it, student? Let me show you one more problem. How many two-digit number are divisible by 3? How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? तो इसका मतलब क्या हो रहा है स्टूडेंट? पूछ रहा है कि कितना सारा टू डिजिट नंबर्स है जो 3 से डिविजिबल होता है। तो पहला हमारा काम हुआ कि हमें जानना होगा कि टू डिजिट नंबर शुरू से कहाँ से होता है और ख़त्म कहाँ पे होता है। व्हाट इज द स्टार्टिंग नंबर ऑफ टू डिजिट एंड व्हाट इज द एंडिंग नंबर ऑफ टू डिजिट। तो हमें पता है हमारा स्टार्टिंग नंबर टू डिजिट का क्या होता है। हमारा स्टार्टिंग टू डिजिट नंबर हो गया 10 और हमारा एंडिंग टू डिजिट नंबर हो गया 99। करेक्ट स्टूडेंट? तो हमें पहले एपी सीरीज को फॉर्मेशन करना होगा। तो हमारा पहला एपी सीरीज तो हमें ऐसा नंबर स्टार्टिंग नंबर ढूंढना है जो 3 से डिविजिबल हो और वो 2 डिजिट भी होना चाहिए। तो पहला नंबर हमें मिल रहा है क्या स्टूडेंट 10, बट ये 3 से डिविजिबल नहीं है। तो हमें ये 3 से डिविजिबल नहीं है। ओके स्टूडेंट? तो 10 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है 11। तो 11 भी डिविजिबल नहीं है 3 से। नेक्स्ट क्या हो गया 12। तो हमें दिख रहा है कि 12 क्या है 3 से डिविजिबल है। तो हमारा पहला 2 डिजिट नंबर जो 3 से डिविजिबल हो वो क्या है 12। तो स्टूडेंट हमें पहले एपी सीरीज जानना होगा वरना हम ए और डी नहीं निकाल पाएंगे। So first of all you have to find the first number which is divisible by 3 and it should be also 2 digit. So our first 2 digit number is 12 which is divisible by 3. तो 12 के बाद क्या होगा स्टूडेंट 15। 15 के बाद क्या होगा 18 डॉट 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 और हमें लास्ट नंबर हमें पता है क्या है 99। लास्ट नंबर हम लोग किसको बोलते हैं एनएट टर्म को बोलते हैं। तो यहाँ से हमें क्या क्या मिल रहा है स्टूडेंट ए वैल्यू इज नथिंग बट 12, डी इज इक्वल टू 15 माइनस 12 इज इक्वल टू 3 एंड आवर लास्ट टर्म इज नथिंग बट 99। तो स्टूडेंट जहाँ पे भी जनरल फॉर्म निकले वहाँ पे हमारा काम हो गया कि हम वहाँ पे फॉर्मूला को इस्तेमाल करें। तो हम इसके नीचे क्या करेंगे फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे। तो एन का फॉर्मूला हो गया ए प्लस एन माइनस 1 इंटू डी इज इक्वल टू 99। ए का वैल्यू हो गया 12 प्लस एन माइनस 1 और डी का वैल्यू हो गया 3 इक्वल टू 99। तो 12 प्लस 3n minus 3 is equal to 99. तो 3n इज इक्वल टू 99। 12 माइनस 3 हो गया स्टूडेंट 9, और ये 9 उधर जाके हो गया -9। सही है स्टूडेंट। सो 3n इज इक्वल टू 90। तो हमारा n का वैल्यू क्या हो गया 90/3, तो 337। सो आवर n वैल्यू इज नथिंग बट 30। तो स्टूडेंट यहाँ से हमें क्या पता चल रहा है कि हमारे पास कितना 2 डिजिट नंबर है जो 3 से डिविजिबल हो। टोटल नंबर हो गया 30। ओके स्टूडेंट, so there are 30 terms, 30 number of terms which are divisible by 3. Okay student, so I hope you have understood the AP term. I will be solving more problems on the next video, and I will be starting one more topic, that is to find the sum of nth term of an AP series. That's all for today. Thank you students.